Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll explore how to calculate the Hamming distance between two numbers using JavaScript. This tells us how many bits differ when we compare the binary versions of two values. It is super useful in error detection, networking, and even DNA sequencing. Let's get started. We want to count how many bits are different between two numbers. By converting to binary and checking where the bits differ, we can measure this using the XOR operator. Let's walk through how to do that. This function XORs the two numbers to find the bit difference, converts the results to binary, and then counts the ones, which represent the differences. If no ones are found, we just return 0. Each step of this function works together. XOR flags differences. toString2 reveals them in binary. And then we just count how many ones we get. That is our Hamming distance. Let's see a few real examples. The XOR operator clearly shows which bits differ, and that translates directly into Hamming distance. This helps verify that our code works as expected. Hamming distances has wide applications, from detecting data errors in networks to comparing DNA strings in bioinformatics. It is an essential tool in many technical fields. That's it. Now you can measure bit differences in JavaScript easily, whether you're building network tools or solving coding puzzles. This trick can come in handy. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.